If you've ever wanted to make money with mobile apps but stopped because coding feels confusing, expensive, or just not for you, this video is going to save you months of frustration. Right now, everyday people are publishing real apps, getting approved by Apple, and making sales without writing a single line of code. And today, I'm breaking down exactly how they're doing it with a system called Meelo App Empire. Let's get straight to the point. Meelo App Empire is one of the most beginner-friendly and realistic app creation systems I've seen for 2026. It's not hype, it's not theory, it's a step-by-step method that shows you how to create, publish, and monetize real mobile apps using AI and no-code tools. If you want a new digital income stream without tech overwhelm, this is worth serious attention. Meelo App Empire is a complete training system that teaches you how to build profitable mobile apps for the Apple App Store and Google Play without coding. It's designed for beginners with zero app experience, affiliate marketers who want their own digital assets, anyone who wants recurring income instead of one-time commissions. The biggest objection it solves is simple. I'm not a developer, so I can't build apps. This system proves that objection wrong. Let me explain how this works once you're inside. You get access to a member's dashboard with over 14 step-by-step training modules. You start with mindset and niche selection, then move into choosing profitable app ideas, using a no-code AI platform to build apps, designing user interfaces, adding monetization, submitting apps to Apple and Google, getting approved without rejection. You'll also see real case studies, real apps, and real revenue dashboards, so you're not guessing. This is designed to be followed in order, even if this is your first app ever. After the front end, there are optional upgrades you can choose based on how fast you want results. OTO1, App Empire Prompts Library, price $27, includes 45+ ready-made app blueprints with AI build prompts across 10 profitable categories. OTO2, Done For You App Creation, price $97. They build one complete app for you, delivered in about 7 to 10 days. OTO3, Complete DFY App Empire, price $197, includes landing pages, traffic setup, email marketing, and 90-day support. OTO4, Founding Member Monthly Program, price $47 per month, one professionally built app every month. OTO5, Agency Package, price $97, teaches how to turn app building into a client-based business. There is also a VIP bundle that combines everything at a discount. If you grab Meelo App Empire through the link below, you'll also receive these exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, WP Slideshow Master. Create high-impact slideshows to boost engagement and conversions. Bonus 2, WP Swift Page Plugin. Increase website speed and reduce bounce rate instantly. Bonus 3, Lead Book Generator. Connect Facebook lead odds directly to your email list. Bonus 4, WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers inside emails and pages to increase urgency. Bonus 5, Conversion Equalizer. Improve Google Ads conversion rates by fixing overlooked issues. Bonus 6, Keyword Research Ninja 2.0. Find profitable keywords across Google, YouTube, Amazon, and more. Bonus 7, Article Analyzer. Optimize content for higher rankings and better traffic. Bonus 8, Power List Pro. Advanced pop-ups and list building tools for higher opt-ins. Bonus 9, Social Ultima. Free social media traffic system to promote your offers. Bonus 10, Affiliate Marketing Thrive, a complete video course on becoming a successful affiliate marketer. These bonuses alone are worth far more than the price of entry. Remember, these bonuses are available only through the link below. Here's the bottom line. Meelo App Empire gives you a real opportunity to enter the app economy without coding, without developers, and without massive risk. The current launch price is $27, and that price is going up soon. Once the timer hits 0, the price increases and the bonus stock disappears. If you've been waiting for a practical way to build digital assets that can pay you long-term, this is your moment. Click the link below now to lock in the price and secure the bonuses. Thanks for watching. If this breakdown helped you, hit like, subscribe for more honest reviews, and check the link below this video. Once you purchase, your access details will be delivered instantly and your bonuses will be waiting inside. Click the link below, take action, and I'll see you on the inside.